Understanding Rental History, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of rental history. This term is commonly used in the context of renting properties, and understanding it can be very helpful, especially if you're planning to rent a place to live. Let's dive in. Rental history refers to a record of an individual's past renting experiences. This includes information about where you have rented, how long you stayed, and whether you were consistent in paying rent on time. Landlords often check your rental history to decide if you're a reliable tenant. It's like a report card for your renting behavior. There are several key components of rental history. 1. Duration of past rentals. How long you stayed at previous rentals. 2. Payment history. Whether rent was paid on time or if there were delays. 3. Landlord references. Comments or feedback from previous landlords. 4. Lease compliance. Whether you followed the rules of the lease agreement. Understanding these components can help you maintain a positive rental history. A good rental history can make it easier for you to rent properties in the future. Landlords view tenants with a positive rental history as low risk and more reliable. On the other hand, a poor rental history, with late payments or evictions, can make it more challenging to find a place to rent. If you're new to renting or looking to improve your rental history, consider these tips. Always pay your rent on time. Follow the terms of your lease agreement. Maintain a good relationship with your landlord. Keep your rental property in good condition. These practices can contribute to a strong rental history. That's all for today's video on rental history. We hope this has been informative and helps you in your renting journey. Remember, maintaining a good rental history is key to being a successful tenant. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.